If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AutoCAD faculty of ngcc software technologies. So today, as I have said you, I'm going to upload 2 more videos on apartment project. So I'm continuing with that. Here I'm just tagging the room with their names. I have just gone to architecture menu and then click on model text, and there the box is open and you can just type whatever you want to tag with, and then after that you just fix it wherever you want. So here I am tagging because of for my convenience, for applying door and for the ease of project, so I can get to know that where I should have to provide door, because it is so confusing by looking at this type these walls. So to plan the doors and mobility and accessibility, I'm just start tagging it. It is going to be helpful. You can avoid it, but still I am just advising you to at least practice for a once of this text. Okay, so I am completed with text. Now I have an idea of applying door by looking at this. So I am providing doors here. And I am not providing door between hall and kitchen, as I have decided to give a arch there for a kitchen, as it is going to be an open kitchen. So let's see how to create arch after applying doors. Here there are 3 layers of different walls, so I'm just able to provide door to one only. So I'm here splitting 2 other walls and then deleting it. There is no any other way of removing this wall. Just by splitting we can do this. So here I have selected and just press the delete button on keyboard. So it is ready, and I'm going to make it level with 2 other layers, and here too. Okay, and now I'm going to applying doors. So here I'm showing it in the 3D view, as how I have provided the door. These are the balcony doors. This is the wall which I have chosen as block wall. So it is just with the half coating, and I'm making it to full here. Here are the doors in the 3D view. Now I'm going to copy all these doors by making the mirror. I'm taking another door of less width, as the doors of washroom or small storeroom should be of lesser width, so of different width, that is 1000. I am applying here. And now after this I'm just going to select. Okay, here the problem is of splitting again the 3 layers of wall. So here I'm going to create an arch. So by selecting wall, go to edit boundary and then select an arc. I'm going to create an arc here in a sketch, and then I have to just remove the upper boundaries by using trim. I'm going to make it as arch design and it is not conveyed yet, so I have to delete this line. So here the arch is ready for kitchen, which is going to be an open kitchen. Now after this I'm going to delete all the kitchen walls, as I don't want to create arch differently for every wall. So I'm just going to copy these walls for all the kitchens. So copying this wall, and now here also it is in another direction, so I just have to create an arch here differently. Yes, here I have drawn an arc, and then I have to just remove the lines which is I don't want and which is inappropriate for the sketch of arch. So I have just selected here all the doors, and I'm going to create a mirror here. As I just don't want to apply doors on another side again. So here the doors are, and then again another doors, I have selected them and then creating their mirror. I have just using here mirror with draw axis. So here are the doors on another side, and now I am going to select the doors again for the for another floors. I just want to copy all the doors floor by floor. So here I'm just click on copy to clipboard and then selecting your levels, second floor and third floor. These also doors which I'm going to copy. And now they are copied on two other floors also. Now I'm going to provide windows here to the plan. And load family, I just don't want to use this window, maybe another one. So here I'm just changing the sizes. So wherever I just want to provide a window, I'm going to provide there. And there is no restriction of size on window, but you have to maintain the sill height in windows that must be 0.9 meter or else 900 millimeters or else 3 feet if it is in feet. So you can use any size, or else the windows you maybe know that it can be from the ground level to the height of the house, or else it can be of any size from small to very large. So whatever the size is suitable for you, you can provide the size. Here I am just editing for ventilator, and I have just click on duplicate and then name as ventilator, and then I'm going to change the size, as we know that the ventilator sill height and the width and height are different from windows. So I'm just editing for this. Okay, and then here changing the sill height as 3000. I want some other ventilator, so I'm going to select okay. So you can able to see that we have provided the doors and windows. Here the ventilators are in slab, so I just want to change the sill height. So here I just want to make this wall as a curtain wall, as I have said you in my previous video that I'm just left with one type of wall, which is a glass wall, and I'm going to show it during the apartment projects. So here I'm creating it. I have just selected the wall, and then I have just selected the wall and go to here shutter and then curtain wall. It is automatically changes to glass, and then if you want to provide mullions, that means aluminium strips in between the glass, you can provide it from here. Just first curtain grids, and then this is like marking on the glass. This is called curtain grids, and then after this marking you are able to apply the mullions. So here I'm just selecting the mullions. Whatever the design you want in mullion, there are number of designs you can provide. So here I have selected mullion and then applying here. Okay, then I'm going to first floor, and there is a wall behind that. I just want to delete that wall. Now I just want to copy that curtain wall to another side of it is like I'm preparing for a corridor in between two flats, so I'm just going to provide it here also. This is also a corridor in between two flats. So here we are in 3D view, where you are able to see these curtain walls, and same procedure I'm going to do for next two floors. So here we have ready with curtain wall on the one side, and then we just have to apply it on another side also. So I'm going to take the mirror of it, again select draw axis mirror, and then I'm here creating an axis, and they have copied on the another side. So here also there is some walls, so I'm going to remove it. And this is going to be done for two more floors. So here I am copying it by copy to clipboard and then paste, align to selected level, and then second and third floor. So here are the balconies, so I am providing the doors to the balconies. And here the same problem, we just have to split the wall and then cut it, as it is consist of 3 layers. So here also I'm going to provide some doors, balcony doors, and again by selecting these doors I'm going to copy them on another floor, second and third floor. Then select all the things, and then I'm going to see them selection box, and you can even press BX. So you can even press BX, as BX is the short form for selection box. Till here we have completed with curtain walls and the texting and doors and windows in this video of project, and I hope that it is going to be useful for my students which are pursuing Revit in ngcc. So I'm going to upload another video on this project. Till then, please share and subscribe the channel.